Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. You need an HDMI 2. One cable, a TV that advertises 120Hz at the resolution you want, and the Ps5 updated. First, plug the HDMI 2. One cable into the Ps5 HDMI OUT and the TV's HDMI 2. One port. Once connected, turn on game mode on the TV. This reduces processing and allows 120Hz. Then boot the Ps5 and continue to the console video settings to request 120Hz output. You now change Ps5 settings to accept 120Hz. Go to Settings, choose Screen and Video, then Video Output. Make sure resolution is set to one your TV supports at 120Hz and change the frequency to 120Hz where available. Next, set performance mode in Save Data and Game/App settings or the specific game's options to prefer higher frame rates. Once done, launch a game that advertises 120Hz support. You should see smoother motion and lower input lag. You finish by verifying 120Hz is active in-game. Look for a 120 FPS indicator, performance mode tag, or noticeably smoother movement. If not active, make sure the TV input is labeled HDMI 2. One and switch ports. Sometimes only one port supports 120Hz. Also toggle HDR and HDR deep color off then on, and check TV and PS5 firmware. If issues persist, try another certified HDMI 2. One cable. Faulty cables are the usual culprit when 120.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.